All right, it's one of those times where you know it's time to get a new case when your case looks a little something like this. There is zero protection going on for my phone right now, and it is horrible. So it is time for me to get a new case. I went ahead and picked up one of these cases. Now this was important to me just because I like the color black, but also it's a thin layer on the back. I wasn't going for any of those like military grade bumper drop your phone things, but this does give you corner to corner protection. It also has a little bit of a bump right here, which I love. That's going to protect my cameras from if it falls flat on the surface, is going to hit these bumps. I love that. That was really important to me, and that's what this case offers. Plus, we have a blended family. Blended meaning I have Apple users and I have Android users, and I love the thing that this mag charging on that a lot of Apple. So I wanted to update my case so that we could do that because we have a lot of those, and so that was kind of important to me. If those features, the mag, the saving of your camera, the protected corners, if those features are all important to you, then I'd recommend picking up this case. And that's why I got it. Plus, you can also continue to do wireless charging with it with the Samsung as well. So going from this to this, I mean, that is nothing like having a brand new case. It makes it feel like you have a nice new phone. Look at that. That just looks pretty slick right there. So love that.